Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your saved post collection in Instagram. So here I've already opened the Instagram apps, and then for example, you have saved a certain post and you want to find it the post that you saved. So what you need to do is go to your profile and then click on the three lines icon at the top, and then here you'll find the saved option. Just click on that, and here you'll find the post that you've been saved before, the post collection. So you just need to click on this, and then here are all the posts that you've been saved in your Instagram. Okay, so that's so easy, and I think that's all for me. That is how you can find your saved post collection and Instagram. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you get any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and also subscribe for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.